Hi friends, very good evening all of you. How are you doing? So I hope all of you are doing good. Today we are here with a very exciting and important announcement by ICAI. So have you seen the notification of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India? In ICAI website, they have released a new notification, important announcement for May 2022 examinations. So there has been a lot of speculation. Many students are asking, Pavan sir, will the exams be in May this time or will it be postponed to June? Because last time November exams happened in December. Okay, so I said in my personal opinion, it will be in May only to many students. So similarly, likewise, we have received the notification of ICAI today. So the summary of the notification is, if you are a foundation student, the exams are going to be from 23rd of May. If you are CA intermediate student writing group 1 examinations are from 15th. And if you are writing only group 2, then your examinations will be from 24th of May. For final group 1 students, it is from 14th of May, and for final group 2 students, it will be from 23rd. So you can see the notification on the screen. This is downloaded from ICAI website. 21st Jan 2022. That means today's date. Today, few hours back, it is given. So now let us go to the dates. Foundation course, you can read from here. Foundation examinations are from 23rd onwards. So for every exam, you have 1 day gap. So 23rd, your first exam, 24th day off, 25th second exam, 26th day off, 27th third exam, then 1 day off, and then 29. So 23, 25, 27, 29. You can remember odd dates from 23rd onwards. This is for foundation. For intermediate students, it is starting from 15th. Okay, good news is after 15th, you got 2 days gap. 15, 16, 17, and then 18. So effectively 3 days gap will be there in between. Okay, from 15 to 16 one day, 16 to 17 one day, 17 to 18 one day. Then the next exam, the third exam will be on 20th. Then the fourth exam will be on 22nd. This is for group 1. For group 2 students, they are starting exams on 24, then 25 day off, 26, 27 day off, 28, and then 29 day off, 30th. So for group 2 students, in between consecutive exams, 1 day gap is there. That means effectively 48 hours, or after the exam, 45 hours accurately will be there for you. Then for final students, group 1 is starting on 14th, and 15, 16 holiday, 17th will be next exam, 18th day off, 19th will be exam, 20th off, 21st will be next exam. This is for group 1. For group 2 students, it is going to be 23rd. Okay, after 21st completion of group 1 exams, 1 day off is there. So for final group 2 students, exams are going to start from 23rd, then 24th day off, 25, and next exam 27, next exam 29. So with one day break, final group 2 exams are going to be in this. So whether you are a foundation student, inter student, or final student, basically the exams are going to start in the month of May. Okay. Now what next? The next step is preparation. So we have few days in Jan, another 10 days, then Feb, then March, then April, then May. Okay. So total number of days. So the biggest challenge for a student is, how can I cover all the subjects, the volume of syllabus within the available days? Guys, I'm telling you one thing, planning is very, very, very important to crack CA exams. Planning is very, very, very important to crack CA exams. Remember this rule, failure to plan is planning for failure. And this damn applies with 100%, without any doubt to CA examinations. So if you are not planning properly your preparation, that means you are planning for failure. So how many days available? In Jan, another 10 days available because we are sitting on 21st of Jan. Jan has 31 days. And in Feb, probably we'll have 28 days. In March, 31 days. Okay, in April, 30 days. Okay, in May also, if you are writing CA Inter, for example, or CA Final, for example, you can take 10 days. Don't take more. Just 10 days. Okay, 2-3 days will be there more, but just to take 10 days. So your total number of days will be 109. Total number of days will be 109. So average hours per day. Let us consider an average student will study 6 hours. See, I'm not a person who assumes that a student can study 8 hours, 12 hours, 14 hours, 15 hours. So we conduct mentoring program also, wherein I personally speak with the students multiple times. So whenever I ask the student to fill the questionnaire, and when doing the SWOT analysis, and when I call, first call, they'll be very excited and say, Pavan sir, we'll study 14 hours, 16 hours, 18 hours. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Try to understand, a normal human being cannot read 14 hours. 1 day, 2 days maybe. Okay. And a few days before the examination, because of the examination heat, I understand. But 109 days when you take, studying at 14 hours rate is impossible unless you are a machine. Pavan sir, I am like Cristiano Ronaldo. My DNA is different, Pavan sir. I can study 14 hours a day. Possible. For some students, possible. Even I remember in peaks of, when I was very young, when I was preparing for examinations, even I did this 10 hours, 12 hours, 14 hours for so many days, at a stretch without missing. But I personally believe it is very difficult. I studied in 2005 now. So today we are sitting in 2022. There is huge gap. Generation. Now generation is not 30 years, 40 years gap. No, now generation gap is 4 years. So when I speak with a guy who is 4 years, 5 years younger than me, I can, visibly look at the difference. So I'm not taking 14 hours, 12 hours and all. I take only 6 if you are a normal student, 8 if you are really creamy and studious, meticulous, very serious about studies and all, then I can take 8 hours. So normal student, 6 hours. Okay, very serious student, very sincere student, 8 hours. Okay, Pavan sir, what if I cannot even allocate 6 hours a day? Then, my students will tell you the answer, I will not tell you. Okay, whenever these kind of things come, my students will shout in the class, go to 7th floor and jump. So I'm not telling that, but I request you, if you are writing both the groups especially, minimum 6 hours are required, minimum 6 hours. Okay, for single group student, if you are little lazy, that is still fine. So I'm taking average number of hours as 6. Okay, so how many total hours are there? 109 into 6, approx 600 hours. Approx 600 hours, 654. So minus normal loss. Okay, so basically we are human beings, no? Basically we are human beings. So can I take 10% normal loss? So I'm taking 10% normal loss. Okay, so approx 60 hours will be subtracted. So then I can say 588 hours are there, net effective hours. If everything goes as per the plan, okay. If everything goes as per the plan, then number of subjects. Okay, if you are writing single group, 4 papers are there, then hours per subject. So since people are active in the chat box, can you calculate and tell me how many hours are there per subject? This is your count, which is damn healthy. 100% you can crack the exam. 150 hours per subject. I'm telling you, 80 hours, 75 to 80 hours if you take, per paper, you can complete it. For example, take auditing, can be completed within 70 hours is enough for preparing auditing. So daily 2 hours you read auditing, within 30-35 days you'll be able to complete it 100%, including MCQs, including case studies, including RTP. You will be able to, trust me. Pavan sir, what if I am writing exam, both the groups? Then number of subjects will be 8. Then hours per subject will be 586 divided by 8 papers. So it will be 73. This is a challenge. You should be very consistent, damn consistent. Plus, if you are studying both the groups, the only way is, here 6 hours is there, no? This is not enough, my dear friend. This is not enough. You have to make it 8. If you are both the group student, you have to make it 8. So my suggestion to all the students is, I have seen enough batches in my life, okay? I have seen enough students in my life. I completed my CMA final in 2004 and I completed my CA in the year 2006. And till today, I'm in teaching, okay? So every year I'll see multiple batches. So 15 years, how many batches I might have seen, how many thousands of students I might have come across. The psychology of the student is, when the exam notification comes, they will say, I will crack both the groups this time. Yeah, 8 papers. Okay, it is like, daydreaming. After few days, when you are filling the exam application, then you are skeptical. Shall I fill for both the groups or single group? Both the groups are single group, both the groups are single group. Then finally you say, chalo bhai, let us fill both the groups. From tomorrow I will study. From when? From tomorrow, not from today. From tomorrow I will study. So you will fill the form also. Then the hall ticket comes. Then you will think, shall I do both the groups or single group? Both the groups. Boss, I will tell you one thing, okay? First, have clarity. Are you appearing for both the groups or single group? If you are writing single group, close your eyes and write single group only. Many students, see, I respect everyone, okay? I respect everyone. Every student I respect, every teacher I respect. But so many students, they come to me and say, Pavan sir, one of my friend is asking me to write both the groups, Pavan sir. Pavan sir, one teacher is asking me to write both the groups, Pavan sir. Pavan sir, my mom and dad, they are asking me to write both the groups, Pavan sir. Pavan sir, my relative is asking me to write both the groups, Pavan sir. Pavan sir, my school teacher, who is very close to me, I take his guidance, blessings and wishes for everything. He is asking me to write both the groups, Pavan sir. All of them are asking you to write both the groups because they might have seen your performance in +1, +2 or BCom. So +1, +2, you got 94%, 97%, 98%. Oh, alag baat hai bhai. That is completely a different scenario. That is completely a different scenario. You ask a teacher who is a chartered accountant. They will tell you, it really doesn't matter whether you write both the groups or single group. Focus on something and you crack it. Even if you write single group, that is enough. So I never... if imagine virtually, hypothetically, if I have a brother or a sister who's writing the exams, or if I have a daughter or son who's writing the exams, if they come to me and ask, shall I write single group or both the groups? I would tell them with 100% confidence, it is up to you. You are the person who's swimming. You are the person who's running. You are the person who's battling your war. Chumma sitting in a seat, I cannot tell you, write both the groups. In 2003, I wrote both the groups, then I'm a ranker. Boss, all this banana shit, this never works, okay? Each and every individual is different. You might have got lot of skills, capabilities, which I do not have. That doesn't mean I will guide you in a way which will put pressure on you. So just sit, long deep breath, think, relax and decide, will you be able to do 8 subjects simultaneously? And especially those students who failed in the previous attempts. Pavan sir, I have written 2 exams, 2 times exam, Pavan sir, I failed. This time I will crack both the groups. Boss, please try to understand, 2 times you wrote single group, you couldn't clear. This time both the groups, how do you think you will be able to clear? That is aggression. That is aggression. Pavan sir, shall I not do that? If you are committed to study, Pavan sir, last attempt I have put X units of effort. This time I will put 2X units of effort or 1.5X units of effort, and I am damn confident and serious about it. Then happily you can write both the groups. This emotional wavelength, emotional ups and downs will be there. No, last time I failed, this time I will definitely pass. Boss, from tomorrow morning again you will be same lazy buffalo. So you just look at your past track record and then you look at your commitment levels, discipline, dedication. So rate yourself. Am I really that disciplined? Am I really that dedicated? Am I really that studious? Serious student, if I commit from tomorrow onwards, if I decided to study, today I decided that from today or tomorrow I'll study 8 hours a day. At least forget about your parents, forget about your friends, family, faculty. Just ask yourself, do you trust yourself? Then, if I give you 2 minutes of time, you'll say, no sir, today I think tomorrow I will study 8 hours, but from tomorrow I will not study. 2 days, 3 days I will study, after that I will not study. Boss, you know yourself. No one needs to tell you. Am I going to do it or no? Ask yourself. Then you decide whether you are going for, group 1 or single group or both the groups. And lot of provisions and allowances are to be given in this number of hours. Lot of provisions and allowances. What is the meaning of it? Cousin's marriage, family member not feeling good, you are not feeling good, travel, you have to do something else. So today you have got some other work and you will not be able to read this 6 hours or 8 hours as committed. Okay, you need to take one family member to hospital, or some unforeseen contingency, some family function, or some festival, your favorite festival. So these kind of 10-15 days will definitely be there, which will affect your preparation. Please try to understand it, forecast. So out of these 588 hours, maybe who knows, another 50 hours or 100 hours will be lost, which is abnormal. This is normal loss. Abnormal loss also can be there. So I am a student where, when I was preparing for the exams, if my cousin's marriage is there or if some family function is there, I used to tell them on the face, I'm not coming. I'm not coming. So I'm not, super excited. Cousins get together. Okay, my cousins are my best buddies. I do respect relations. It is not that I am, inhuman or I am stone-hearted, cold-blooded person. Okay, I maintain very good relation with all my, family, extended family and friends. Having said that, I am objective. That objectivity is there in the mind, I have to study this, I'll not. So you have to think about all these parameters. Then only you can decide single group or both the groups. Then next step is prepare a study plan. Prepare a study plan. And as you know, for the last so many years, maybe probably 5 years, 10 years, I have been helping thousands of students with preparing free study plans. Okay, I give structured systematic study plans and customized study plans for the students. Okay, assessing the SWOT analysis of the students. So if you want any free study plan or if you want to join mentoring program, you can contact us on this phone number, or you can write in the comment section also. So I will be, see, if you can prepare a study plan, Pavan sir, don't worry, my study plan I will take care. I'm so happy for you. Your study plan, if you can prepare, I'm so happy for you. But for those students who say, Pavan sir, I am clueless, I do not have experience, I do not know how to prepare a study plan, I want help of an expert or an academician who helps me with study plan. If that is the case, I am there for you. If you want a study plan, I'll give you free study plan also. You can join our Telegram channel, or you can download our mobile app that works both for iOS and Android, or you can be in touch with us through our social media or our website. So I'll give you free study plan. Maybe I'll release study plan in another 4 days or maybe less than 1 week. So prepare a study plan. This is your step 1. What is step 1? Prepare a study plan. Then comes step 2. Step 2, write exams, which is very, 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 very important. Remember, I told you this many times, okay, whether you are Cristiano Ronaldo or Lionel Messi or Sachin Tendulkar or Virat Kohli or Rishabh Pant, doesn't make any difference. Whoever you are, even Lord Krishna kind of people, or Arjuna kind of people, or Rama kind of people, or Hanuman kind of people, whoever you are, net practice is very important. Net practice is very important. You read, any of the mythologies or fables or stories, all these people, these warriors and all, you can find them only in the gym. You can find them only, doing practice of their martial arts and all. So you cannot find them in clubs, pubbing, etc., etc. and all, and maybe exceptional cases will be there. So they practice a lot. So you have to write exams. You have to write exams. Without writing exams, directly if you go to ICAI exam and all, there are very high chances that you will get a panic attack there. You need to write exams. Okay, chapter wise exams will be there. Topic wise exams will be there. 50% syllabus, 25% syllabus exams will be there. Exam in 2 to 3 topics put together will be there. Then mock exams will be there. Finally, step 3. Revision. Revision. Multiple revisions are required. Skimming, churning, nurturing yourself is pretty much required. You have to revise. Pavan sir, my preparation is complete. 1 round, not enough. Not enough. You need to write again. You need to read again. So, third step is revision. Step 4, mock exam. Mock test. This is the process. This is the sequence. And trust me, this is the only sequence. You cannot interchange anything in this. Whoever you are. Pavan sir, I am smart. Pavan sir, I am dumb. Pavan sir, I am hardworking. Pavan sir, I am lazy. Pavan sir, I am X. Pavan sir, I am Y. Whoever you are, boss, remember one thing, okay? If you have a calculator, you could be APJ Abdul Kalam, you could be Swami Vivekananda. You could be a NASA scientist, or you could be an LKG guy. You could be a student, you could be a teacher. Whoever you are, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. That's all. And there is no exception to this. Because APJ Abdul Kalam kind of people is accessing calculator. Calculator will not say, oh my god, I am so fortunate. APJ Abdul Kalam is, contacting me for something 2 into 2. Hey, big guy. So we'll give little more. Sir, for you 2 into 2 is equal to 25, sir. Process. The process works only like this. If you are a ranker or if you are, any category of student, you have to do this. So prepare study plan, write chapter wise mock exams, revise the topics as many times as you can, Then write mock tests. And the whole story should be done. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 should be done before April 30. Before April 30, the whole story should be done. Then you are exam ready, my dear friend. You will not get panic attacks in the exam. So this is how you should calculate your number of hours. How many hours I can allocate. Then there are lot of techniques. Okay, you call it, SWOT analysis, you call it any assessment of behavior, etc. What normally we do for mentoring students and all. Then you should assess yourself. Like for example, some students are strong in theory papers, some students are strong in practical papers. When I started my, studies at professional level, for example, CMA Foundation, I observed myself, I am extremely good at theory papers and my spine shivers with practical papers. I give you a small example. In law, I have got all India first mark. 88, something like that I got. In foundation, without coaching. But in practical paper like accounts, I got 50. That is the reason I ended up with all India 20th rank. So this law, O&M was there, organization and management. In that also, I think I got some 70, something like that. But this practical papers are there, like accounts, I got very less marks. Surprisingly, in quantitative aptitude, mathematics and statistics also, I did not get 90s those days. So initially, I was very strong in theory papers and I was scared of, practical papers. When I came to CMA inter-level or CA foundation level, which was my next step, still I observed strong in theory. So even in CA intermediate also, auditing, law, these kind of papers I got 70 plus. Then when I reached final level, you won't trust me, in final, CMA final and CA final, practical papers are there, I got 90 plus, 80 plus. So you evolve into something. Now it is high time for you to assess yourself. Which are your favorite papers? Which are your weak areas? Are you strong at theory paper? Are you strong at practical paper? What is your weak link? You need to assess yourself. For that, you need to provide little more time. Weak areas, more time. So don't be like, third class or fourth class student. Whenever parent asks, hey, come sit and study. So he will open only one favorite book, okay? For example, if you are, from Kerala, open Malayalam book. If you are from Tamil Nadu, open Tamil book. If you are from Andhra or Telangana, open Telugu book. If you are scared of maths, don't touch maths book at all unless your mom or dad or your teacher tortures you, or so-called torture in your opinion. Open maths book. You're like, whenever someone asks you to study, you open one bloody book which is damn easy, which is not at all useful, like that, open and sit. That won't work. That won't work. So you have to focus more on your weak areas. You have to focus on your weak areas. You understand? So this is the process. This is the process. And if you have not yet completed coaching, you can join one class, whether for regular class or crash. Regular courses are there, crash courses are there. So I'm not saying you buy regular class from me or crash class from me. You choose. There are many faculty today, okay? Every faculty is good in one way or the other. Like how you want to buy one mobile phone, how you are opening Amazon and you are doing R&D. Okay, this phone is with this features, with this price, with this discount, with this bank offer, with this so and so. Like that you do, no? Like that you contact your friends, then do your R&D and buy some good lecturer's class. Buy some good lecturer's class. And you can join live crash course also. We are also giving, live crash courses for many of the subjects. So you join some class only if you feel it is required. Pavan sir, already my coaching is over, Pavan sir. I am confident. Then only go for some kind of test series or revision plans that work for you. So you are the person who is going to judge or rate yourself with all the things. Do I need coaching or no? Do I need regular classes or do I need crash classes? Do I need test series? Do I need mentoring? Do I need a study plan? Do I need to use free resources? So everything you decide for yourself. Never ask anyone. Never ask anyone. So many students, they come to me and ask, Pavan sir, how many hours I need to read, Pavan sir? Once one student came to me and asked, Pavan sir, how many hours I need to read to become a ranker? It was a funny thing. So initially you feel this guy has attitude, but later you understand this guy is very practical and this is a reality check. What I told him, I asked him, can you tell if someone comes and asks you how much of time I need to spend on a commode in bathroom to clear my bowl? Can you answer? How many minutes I have to brush my teeth? How many minutes, I need to take my shower? How many minutes I need to spend on commode? No, there is no answer for this. How many hours I need to study? There is no answer for this. So, do you think 14 hours and above if you study, you will be ranker? 10 to 14 hours, both groups pass. 8 to 10 hours, single group pass. Below 8 hours, one exemption will come. Below 4 hours, no exemption. Nothing like that. You have to decide yourself, okay? That depends on your ability, because some students read very fast. Some students remember things faster. Some are very smart. So you decide yourself. So what is the crux? What is the summary? Exam notification has come. Now you need to get up, move your, I cannot use the word, so I am using the word base. Move your base. Get up, run. Okay, so I wish you all the very best. If you are looking for any, study plans and all, you can contact us. I'll upload that in my Telegram channel or download our mobile application. App Classes is the mobile app, whether you are using iOS or WhatsApp. If you are not able to find it, you can contact us. I will send you the link. So I'll be sharing all the free resources there. Okay, so I wish you all the very best. Before I log off, there are some questions old syllabus students need to Write economics paper, I think no. Old syllabus, if you have completed group 1 in IPCC, now you are coming to group 2 in CA Inter, I think both FM and ECO is exempted from you. So please read ICAI notification also. That was an old notification, 2 years back it came. I think 2 years back that notification came, but that is relevant today also. After that, ICAI did not give any other notification. So just read that. Aditya is saying, sir, normal loss can be reduced further, sir. Yes, normal loss can definitely be reduced further. Okay, it depends. This normal loss and abnormal loss, this depends on the student. Okay, from case to case it differs. Then Samudral Maheshwari is asking, sir, when you upload the timetable, it will take little time. It will take little time, but I'll definitely do that. Maybe 4 days or maximum 1 week. Within 4 days, I try to upload. Okay, all the things. Sir, please upload both the group study plan. Harika, yes, definitely will do that. Varun, I need assistance on conversion. Varun Khandelwal. Varun, I do not have any idea about the administrative procedures. Okay, so administrative procedures, please contact your seniors or fellow students or check with ICAI. This procedures and all I am not aware of. If I am aware, definitely I will help you with. Then what about your test series? Yes, we do have test series. You can contact us whether you want free test series or paid test series with evaluation and all. Definitely we'll have that. Then Vanshi is asking, sir, please provide revision and free test series for May 22 as you had provided for December 21 attempt. Definitely yes. Amar Singh is saying free test series. Yes, we consider that. If convert from old to new today, will I be able to give May attempt? Yes, Varun, I think you'll be able to give May attempt. Okay, after conversion, this much of gap is there. There is no rule I have come across. So the moment you convert, then definitely you can write the next attempt. So any more doubts I need to answer? Any more doubts I need to answer, or if it is done, shall we call it the day? So guys, all the best. Start your preparation early. And we will come with the free resource as free study plan and all as early as I can, so that it will benefit you. Okay, thanks for watching. God bless you. Bye. See you.